Happy Freebie Friday, my friends. Welcome to it. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. We're going to work on our Freebie Friday savings challenges. All of these are Mother's Day themed. I will go over where I did receive them from once we pull them out. Also, I do remember one of my savings challenges is not necessarily geared towards a mom, but Mother Nature. So I thought that was a really cool play on Mother's Day. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 we're working with this week. So here's the deal. I'll be doing my Sunday videos, which are my weekly expenses, cash envelope, wallet / long-term savings. Okay, so that's that. I'll be working on my mini Mondays, which is my family themed alien savings challenge that I made. And my micro Wednesdays, we'll be working on those. Those are savings challenges I just made, and I'll go over that a little bit in my videos. And then Freebie Fridays, we're going to work on those. There is hopefully a video coming some Tuesdays throughout the month. So May is going to be a lot of fun, a lot of videos. Hopefully that's what we're going to see happen. This is what I'm predicting, but it's not always, guaranteed. So I'm just going to do the best I can to get us here for these savings challenge cash stuffings. It's not a lot of money, but still, I feel like it's worth doing these videos. Happy May. I'm excited for Mother's Day. I don't know what we're going to do. Myself and my children, I was invited to a Mother's Day brunch. So I do believe, I did RSVP. So I do believe I am going to go to that, but we'll see. All right. So Mother's Day, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Let me see how we're going to, let's do it this way. So I'll let you know where I got the savings challenges from. And all we're going to do is roll the 6-sided dice and figure out which envelope is getting, or which savings challenge is getting $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's jump right in. Number 6, number 4, number 4. Oh, I guess I can use my little cubby. I can't see inside of it. 3. My desk is up pretty high, and then the little doodad is up pretty high. 5, 5, 6, 3, 5. Oh, so throwing it away. Let's see. 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. Number 1 didn't get anything. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, that's okay. We have all month, and for those of you who don't know, May is a magic month for me, so that's another reason why I'm taking on so many savings challenges. Let's do this. First off, we will go through where we got these savings challenges, and I didn't even grab a little marker or anything. I've got to do that. All right, so this savings challenge I did make in honor of my mom, who is in heaven, and I thought it was a really cute savings challenge. I did make another savings challenge for her with a poem by E.E. Cummings, I Carry Your Heart in My Heart. And so I think what I'm trying to do is get that into my Sunday videos, but if not, it is a savings challenge that I did make in honor of my mom using her image. But this savings challenge is from S&C Budget Creations, but you can find it in my Ko-Fi. And it does come in a set of 3. So there's 3 savings challenges with angels and their babies. Okay, enough about that. If you are interested, they will be linked down below. This one is from Lady Luck Saves, and we are adding $1. So this savings challenge, it does say $5. My budget is not going to allow for me to save $5 right now unless I only work on one savings challenge. Instead of saving $5, I am saving 1, and we have $1 today. I'm going to let this dry, and then we will put it away. All right, this next savings challenge is the Mother Nature Savings Challenge I was talking about. This one actually is from Batty Bankroll. You know what? I think I am just going to stick with making them all $1. And if I'm able to save more, then I will. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So let this one dry as well. We have $4 going into my savings challenge from Lulu Innovative. I don't know if you guys have noticed, she has a lot of freebies. So you're going to, wherever I can get the freebies, especially if they're themed to what I'm hoping they are, I'm going for it. So we had a savings challenge from her last month as well. All right, so we're marking off 4. And if I complete these before the end of the Freebie Friday time frame, the 5 weeks, that's okay. I'll just keep working on whatever it is that I need to work on. And then if I can find any other freebies, if I finish them, I don't know if I will, then I'll work on getting those going. 1, 2, 3, 4. This savings challenge I did get from Restoration by Autumn. And it says, silence is golden unless you have kids, then silence is suspicious. Thought that was awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I was ready. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you do have Mother's Day savings challenges that are freebies, feel free to leave them down below. I really feel like trying to go on a scavenger hunt and find the savings challenges was not all that easy. And I typically am on YouTube every day, at least a couple times a day, and then I scroll through the posts and try to see who's added something to Ko-Fi. So if you do have a freebie, you know, link it down below so people have access to it. I'm pretty sure you can add links down there. If not, I'm sorry, but feel free to try to add them. We have $3 going into this savings challenge, which I love it, love it, love it. This one is from Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens budgets, and I love it so much. We're going to go ahead and add this $3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So I won't have a lot of money because I am trying to spread the love amongst my savings challenges. My mini Mondays are actually coins. So I'm excited to see how that goes. They are dollar coins, but still coins nonetheless. So I'm very excited to see how that one goes. All right, so we are putting these away. This one didn't add anything, but they look dry. So we're going to add back together, and then we'll put these away. I think a lot of what we'll see in June, graduations and summer themed savings challenges. It's my kiddo's birthday, so I haven't decided which themes to do. I was actually thinking about making a savings challenge just using their images only. But I haven't decided yet, but I thought it would be a great idea, seeing as though I have 2 kiddos with their birthday month in June. So let's grab that binder. Usually when I pull out my colorful savings challenge binders, I do get questions. So I'll go ahead and let you know. I'm not certain where they are from. I did receive them as a gift. And so it was a while ago when I did receive them as a gift, and it seems like the original shop owner did close. So I don't know if, you know, I don't have access to that information, but if I do get my hands on it and I do find out what's up, I will let you know. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. We'll see you next Friday. No. Come see me on Sunday. We'll see you then. Bye, guys.